Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.5, question number 10. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. Question number 10 is 0.25 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 10f minus 9. Let us find. Let us solve this one. That is question number 10. It is 0.25 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9, right? 0.25 can be written as 25 by 100, that is 25 by 100 into 4f minus 3 is equal to, and 0.05 can be 5 by 100, 5 by 100 into 10f minus 9, or 25 on 25, 25 4 is 100, 5 on 5, 5 to 10, it is 0. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 4 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 1 by 20 into 10f minus 9. Now, on multiplying both sides by 20, we get, multiplying both sides by 20, multiplying both sides by 20, we get if we multiply by 20, 25, 20 by 4, that is 5 into 4f minus 3, and this is equal to 120 by 20, that is 20 by 20 is 1, that is 10f minus 9. Now 5 for 20f, 20f minus 5 3 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. Now on transposing on 10f to left hand side and minus 15 to right hand side, we get 20f minus 10f is equal to minus 9 is equal to minus 9 plus 15. 20f minus 10f is equal to 10f is equal to minus 9 plus 15, that is 6. If we divide both sides by 10, we get f is equal to 6 by 10. We divide by 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. That is the value of f is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5, and that is the answer. Therefore, the value of f is equal to 3 by 5, or you can write in point also, that is 3 divided by 5, 0.056 is 30. That means it can be also written as 0.6, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.